Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to buy stuff from G2G.com. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, first step is to open up a web browser and head on over to G2G.com. Then from here, if you've got a particular game, item, account, etc., go ahead and we can search in G2G or we can select the category. So if I want to go ahead and buy some items, I can click on items. And they're going to show you some trending things you can buy, all brands for items. So say for example I want to buy some stuff from Arc Raiders, so I'm going to click on Arc Raiders. Now if I want to buy some game coins, I'm going to click on game coins. It's going to say all platforms. Now basically we get to the cart section here and it's going to show you a bit more about what you're buying here. And then to the right, we've got options of how many coins I want to get. They're going to say unit price and the total amount. Now, if you like that, we can go ahead and see more about the seller. So we can see recent verified purchases as well. You can see more stats about them. So 99.98 successful delivery, which is a great sign. We've also got when they joined and legendary seller for this one. All right, so if I want to go ahead and click on buy now. Now we need to go ahead and log in with our account. So go ahead and put in your email, mobile number or password, or we can log in with our socials. Now once we've signed in, we can go ahead and make this purchase. So go ahead and click on buy now, and then you can put in your credit card banking details to complete the purchase.